What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make money on Instagram, and specifically how to make over $10,000 every single month. Now, it's something you can do. It's not that complicated. You just have to put the pieces together. Now, I want to show you something that I haven't really talked about, but I've been doing it for about 8 months, 9 months, something like that, and it works, and it's extremely effective. So, what do? Now, you can come over here to Instagram and you can build a following and do all this stuff and get millions of followers like this dog lovers account right here. You can then go and promote different products and services, and you can make some great money that way. And that works. However, that is not going to be the fastest way to make money. Now, one of the fastest ways to make money on Instagram is to actually provide a service. But this isn't one of those videos. What I want to talk about is how you build an actual account and then you sell it. Alright, let me show you something. This website right here is called FameSwap. You can see it right there. You can go to fameswap.com and you can actually buy an account. Okay, but what I want to show you in today's video is there are accounts out there that have 100,000 subscribers and they're selling for $2,000 to $5,000 depending on the size of their audience, depending on what niche they're in, and depending on their engagement. There's a big difference. So that's where you come in. Alright, so let me show you right here. So here's one, 2.2 million for their audience size. They're asking 18,000. 2 million asking 3,000. So what you need to understand is if they're asking 3,000, probably that's not the best engagement, but we're not here to debate any of those. What I want to show you is I want to find some like 100,000 follower accounts. Some right here. So here we go. So 100,000 follower accounts. One's going for 2,000, 1,800, 1,800, 550, 1,000, 1,000, 2,300, 250. Okay, you get the point. You can obviously read. Okay, what I want to show you in today's video is because obviously people are selling their accounts. You can go to eBay. You can find accounts there. You can go to probably Fiverr.com. You can find people that will organically grow your account. And I'm going to show you how to do that. But for right now, I want to show you a couple accounts that are doing pretty well. All right. This one right here, Dog Lovers, now has 1.7 million followers. And the nice thing is they are promoting another account. This one right here, Cute Husky. It's this one right here. Okay. So once you have one big account, it makes it so easy to create another one. Okay. Create another one that has 126,000 followers, 1,200 posts. This one has 1,400. So you see they're kind of growing together. Alright? So what I want to explain to you is that just because you are not in the dog niche does not mean you can't make money. You can make money. It's actually pretty simple. So here's another page in the weight loss niche. Weight loss transformations, 547,000 followers. Now you can actually go and buy shout outs from this account. Just go to shoutmenow.com and you can work on a shout out with them. But that's not the point of this video. Again, I just want to show you it's out there, it's possible. Alright? You can create these big accounts and then you sell them and you cash out and make some money. Now, you will be able to make more money if you hold on to these bigger accounts, sell shout outs, promote products. This one's promoting a product for somebody else. See right here, Patch Slimming. Maybe selling a shirt. They could be selling just a bunch of different stuff, right? Even the dog niche. Maybe they want to sell shirts and clothing and dog stuff. They can do that as well. Or they can just promote and do shout outs. That works as well. Alright? So you can make money. But let's talk about steps to creating a 100,000 follower account. What do you need to do? The first thing I recommend is first you got to create an entertaining account. Okay? Don't go look at my Homemade Entrepreneur account and think that's entertaining. It's not. Okay, that is one of my smallest accounts. I'm not really consistent with it. I'm not really updating it that often. It does work. It is effective, but it's not the goal for me on Instagram. Isn't to build my Homemade Entrepreneur account. My goal with Instagram is to sell different accounts, to do shout outs, to do some promotions, build up my my Shopify stores. That's what I'm doing with Instagram. All right. So there's a lot of different stuff you can do, but don't go look at my Homemade Entrepreneur account and think, he's not doing any of this stuff. I do it, I just don't do it with that account. So, create an entertaining account. Okay, don't go into the make money online niche because that's not entertaining. Even motivational posts, not entertaining. Stuff like the dog niche, okay, this is entertaining. People see a cute puppy, they're like, oh, that's a cute puppy, I'm gonna click on it. See this cute husky over here, and they're like, oh, that's a cute husky, I'm gonna click on it, I'm gonna like that, I'm gonna tag somebody, I'm gonna comment on it, whatever you're gonna do, alright? So, if you want to build an entertaining account, first you need to use viral videos and images. Go and repost these different images that you find on other accounts. You know if they're viral, all you gotta do, come up here and type in dog, okay? So I'm just come up here and type in dog. So you come over here and look to see some of these different images, alright? Some of the most popular ones. You want to find something, even if you can find a video like this one, okay, with a cute dog on it or whatever, type in dogs, alright? And just find something that a lot of people have seen, okay? 5,000 people like this one, 315, alright? And just keep going around and find something that a lot of people like. The more likes it has, usually means the more viral it went, okay? Second thing, interact with your audience. What I mean by this is actually, put in some comments. Interact with them. When I say 2x comments, that's what I mean. Every comment they put, you comment as well. So that will multiply your comments by 2. Okay. So if there's 15 people commenting on a article or an image or a video, then you could do 15 comments of your own. That would mean you got 30 comments. Okay. And when I say interact with your audience, go over to their page, like some of their posts. Okay. The easiest thing is to click on their page. Okay. Go and like the first 3 to 5 different the last posts they've done. Okay. Maybe you put a comment or two. There you go. You interacted. And do that with every single person that, not every single person that likes, but anytime someone comments, go and do the exact same thing back on their account. It'll help you grow a lot faster. So here's some tips to increase your followers, alright? And I'm going to get to something in a second, to really how to grow. But first thing is to follow related accounts, okay? Let's go back and look at these, okay, on these dog ones, okay? They're following, let's go back. Alright, so you can see they're following, a bunch of stuff. You got Beauty Moon, you got cute dog pics, golden retriever pics, dogs, Lebanon. There's probably more dog stuff. You're following Justin Bieber. That's obviously not related to dogs, but Husky Page, Sweetest Dogs, Animal Fans, whatever, okay? They're following related pages, and that's what you need to do. The next tip is to actually go and like related content, okay? So exact same thing. So if I'm in the, here in this dog stuff, I'm going to come over here and, let's say this isn't even my account. This isn't my account for one. I don't want to say it is, okay? But let's say this isn't my account. I come over here and say, oh, that's cool. I'm going to like that, okay? Click on it, you like it. You're good to go, okay? Do the same thing over here. Say, this dog, cool. I like that one. There's another dog here. I'm going to like this one as well. And you just keep doing the same thing over and over again. Now, here's something a lot of people question, and it does work. Using engagement groups or engagement pods, does it work? Is it effective? It does work. It's highly effective. Here's what I want you to understand. Just because people say engagement groups do not work does not mean they don't work. A lot of people say they don't work because you go and you interact in a group that is not related to your niche. The whole thing is about related, okay? You want to be in a related group, related niche. And in order to do that, you have to find an engagement group that is related to your topic. If you're talking about travel, go find an engagement group or engagement pod that's talking about travel. You got a bunch of different travel accounts in there. Don't go to a motivational quote one if you're talking about fitness. Don't go to a fitness one if you're talking about travel. Don't go to a travel one if you're talking about pets. All right? Use an engagement group that is related to your specific topic, or else, yes, engagement groups will not work. Okay? One other thing. Do not go and become a part of 50 different engagement groups. Understand it can work and grow your account very quickly. However, if every single post that you do, you go and participate in the different engagement groups for every single post, on all 50 of those different engagement groups, what happens is eventually it loses its effectiveness. So what you need to do is if you join 20 different groups, every post, go and only post it into 5 different groups. So let's say you do 4 posts a day. That means every single post you have 5 different engagement groups you're going and participating in. All right. for every single post, you have like a set one. So in the morning, you're on, set, one of those engagement groups. Number 1 through 5, or 1 through whatever. And then, the second post, you do number 6 through 10, and you get the idea, right? So when you're posting consistent content and you're using the certain engagement groups, it makes it very easy for you to actually follow a process. Okay, this is all process. And if you do it correctly, if you choose a niche that you actually know a little about, you find some viral videos and images, and you're consistent with it, you're interacting with your audience. Again, it doesn't take a lot of time, but if you're doing all this stuff between 90 to 120 days, between 3 to 4 months, you should have an account right around 100,000 followers, all right? So again, it doesn't take a lot of work, but it takes consistent work, and it does take, I'm not going to say it's very easy, because in the beginning you're going to do all this work, you're not going to see any results, okay? But if you're consistent with it, you will eventually see some results. So the last thing, how to grow quickly, you pay for shout outs, okay? That's one of the easiest things you can do. Now, it does require money, you have to pay for it, but if you pay for shout outs, it will work, okay? But the shout outs will not work if you do not have an entertaining account. You don't have something people want to follow, people want to like your content. If that's the case, a shout out does absolutely nothing for you, because what happens is people will go to your account, they will see that you only have 2 or 3 images, and those images are not even associated to what they are there for. Maybe they have an account that's talking about I don't know, healthcare. You can go and get a shout out from an account, from another healthcare or health and fitness account, which makes it very easy. But all the traffic that's coming from that account, seeing your account, if it's on making money online, it's going to do you no good. It loses its effectiveness. Again, that is why you only get shout outs, you only join engagement groups that are related to your niche. If you don't do this, then all the stuff you've done before this is going to be a waste of your time and money. All right? So, last thing I just want to say. If you want to, you can go and buy a page. You can go and change things up. You can go and make it your own. Okay? Let's say you go and buy a page for $500. Okay? Let's say, or let's one right here. This something salon. You go and buy it. It has 78,000 followers. You buy it for $600. Cool. Then what you do is you grow and double it. You go and take those 78,000 followers that you have, you double it to 150,000. And then you sell it at that point, because now you increase the engagement, you increase the followers, you made things perfect for the next person to come in. All you do is you buy it for $600 because it already has a little bit of traction. Then you double it, and instead of selling it for $1,200, then you sell it for $3,000. $4,000, $5,000. You sell it to somebody that could actually use that account and grow their business. All right. So that's all I wanted to show you guys today. It's very simple and it's highly effective if you want to make money on Instagram and you want to make $10,000 plus every single month by growing Instagram accounts. It's so simple because all you do is you're just on Instagram. Go and sell the accounts over on Instagram itself. Sell them on Facebook. Sell them on you can sell them on eBay if you want to. That's not the best place. Fame Swap's a good one. There's a lot of different places out there for you to sell these accounts. Okay, but you have to build them first. So anyway, if you have questions on how to make money on Instagram, how to build a 100,000 follower account on Instagram, or really anywhere else, let me know. I'll try to help you out the best I can. But in my opinion, honestly, in my opinion, engagement groups, if done effectively, work 100% of the time. It's almost guaranteed. I haven't had it where engagement groups didn't work for me unless I wasn't consistent with the content. All right? That's about it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.